Installing wall tile on a diagonal, be it herringbone or whatever. Having trouble with the corners? Watch this. I'm going to show you the easy way of handling those corners. Just watch. Okay, so you see me putting these little pieces of foam in the corner there. And so this is them here, right? Just a piece of curdy board that I ripped down to the thickness of the tile. So it's the same thickness all the way around. It's just like a square, right? So it's all thickness of the tile all the way around, so it doesn't matter which way I put it in. And the reason you do that is because when you go in the corner, you want to have, see, I still got room for a cork here, and the corners match up here. So to do that, the piece that falls off this cut here, I saved all these pieces as I showed you before so that I could fold this corner. And the reason why you put that corner in there is because you need the grout line to match like that. This is a piece, this here, it's a piece that came off this tile here. So you need that to match, the corner to match, so you get the grout lines to match, so that as if that was straight. So what happens if you, so that's why this line has to be perfectly plumb on both sides. So what happens if you're not plumb, then your line will start to gain. Your line will start to gain up or down. And if you don't put that exactly on the edge of the tile and you run it behind, what happens is you get the lines don't match up anymore. So this, see how this lines up perfectly like that? If you move this across a little bit and you cover the cut, now the lines don't match up anymore. So you need to have that exactly like that. So those foam pieces help just keep you in the right spot. So you don't, so when you got the thin set, it doesn't slide into that corner by mistake. And then you can keep your little gap with some wedges like I got up there. So these, you can make these little pieces out of foam. If you don't have the foam, you can use just a piece of tile and just rip down a piece of tile to do it that way. So anytime you got a diagonal, that's what you need to do. You need to make it so that the corners line up exactly on the edges of the cut and that they don't overlap. If they overlap, and then your grout lines are gonna run off. So hope that helps. Okay, so I hope this quick little tip helps you out when you're doing diagonals, especially in a corner, so you can get those grout lines to match up perfectly and get a professional looking installation. As always, leave your comments in the comment section. I do try to answer as many as possible, or acknowledge the comment that you may have left. Ring the notification bell so that you get notified of my video every Saturday morning. It could really help me out if you like this video. And most important of all, don't forget to subscribe. Also, check the description. Lots of links there to some tools that I use and other useful information that you might find helpful. Anyway, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching.